Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods have charge and are either in pairing mode or ready to connect. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and switch Bluetooth on. This allows device discovery. If you use a dongle or USB-C adapter, plug it in now so the system recognizes Bluetooth hardware. Once done, keep your AirPods near the laptop and close unrelated Bluetooth devices to reduce signal clashes. This speeds pairing and avoids accidental connections. With Bluetooth enabled, put AirPods into pairing mode, open the case near the laptop, or hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. On the laptop, scan available Bluetooth devices and click the listing that matches your AirPods name. The system exchanges keys and negotiates profiles. This can take a few seconds. After you see connected, make sure the laptop's sound output is set to the AirPods so audio routes correctly. If prompted, allow microphone permissions for calls and recording. Finish by testing audio and microphone in a quick video or call. Adjust volume and input/output settings as needed. If you notice stuttering or dropout, first move closer to the laptop and remove physical blockers, then toggle Bluetooth off and on. Reconnect if necessary. When pairing fails repeatedly, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber to white, then repair. Finally, keep firmware and OS updates current to maintain stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.